The workshop's great.
I would definitely encourage people to attend.
It really showed me the 8 domains of life and how each one's interconnected to the other and how they're all part of who you are, and you can't compartmentalize things.
It kind of gives you some ideas on decision making, on how when you're struggling with a decision, how to break it down and get to the right decision.
And I think just realizing that within me I do have the power to do whatever it is I want to do.
I think it also makes it so much clearer that you don't have to sit in a problem, that there is a solution, and the productive way is to sit in finding the solution rather than sitting in the negative part of the problem.
I wasn't comfortable with smoking. I knew how unhealthy it was. I knew the dangers, but it's one of those habits that is very, very difficult to break. It was something I wanted to do, and consequently I could do it. And I was amazed at the fact that it went so easy then. I had quit several times over numerous years, and I'd always start back, and it's been over 2 years now. I find that the positive attitude that you carry with you spills over into all aspects of your life, and it's just like there's no problem that you can't solve.